You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video.
Oh, we've got a decent start, but that B5 is pretty good. Can I catch him? Come on! Come on! I've got to reel him in. I'm not gonna. Oh, that was close. Ah, my start wasn't great.
Because of this, I begged for a rematch. Could I do better at the second attempt?
Good start. I'm quite level with the B5. Oh, it's going to be close, this. Going to be very close. Got to get this gear change right, and I've got it. Oh, and that, as they say, is that.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the new B9 just destroyed the field. It did the quarter mile in 12.1 seconds. Next was the B7 in 14 seconds. And then the B5 in 14.1 seconds. The poor old RS2, however, took 16.8 seconds.
What we're going to do now is have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go! This picks up immediately, almost neck and neck with the B9. I've got 430 Newton meters of torque. I'm backing off.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.